Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Big City Crypto. So guys, I am here back again with a fabulous project JSPR meme coin. Website is not live, but I tell something about the project, how this project give you 100x profit in 2024. So let's start the review without wasting any time. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: I'm not your financial advisor. This is not an investment advisor. First of all links provided in video description. We also talk about the price prediction about this project. Jasper token here, the Twitter handle. You can simply follow here. First of all, you can check out the information. $GSPR is a meme coin, bring boundless joy and those lucky enough to share their days with him. First of all, you can check out community. This is BEP20 by Binance Smart Chain based project. Here is the information about the website, and join it January 2024, and they have 535 followers. And here you can see DEX tool is also provided. So you can check out JSPR token to WBNP, how to buy on PancakeSwap. I also tell about this, and here you can see the price of this project. And if I scroll down, you can check out the latest buy, sale, and all the transaction provided here. You can check out Binance Smart Chain transaction available. You can check out this latest buy, and this is sale. So I tell the process how you can buy this project easily on PancakeSwap. So first of all, you can check out the DEX tool IO JSPR token GPT to WBNP, and here you can see the view contract, and website is not linked because the website is not go to live. And first of all, you can check out market cap here, and this is market cap, liquidity, holders, supply, and total market cap 2.16k 24 volume, and DEX score. You can check out contract verified, and you can check out BSC scan token Jasper token. So first of all, you can check out the Jasper token GPT by Binance Smart Chain loading here. You can also check out the PoCoin price chart. Here you can see the Jasper token price JPT, and here you can see the price 0.051 24 and 14, and here you can see the price chart easily, and this is price prediction. You can also use the best indicator for the price prediction, and here you can see the latest buy and sale here. So I tell you how to buy this project. First of all, you can check out JPT holder contract JPT transaction. Here you can see the day wallet checker, and all information provided here. You can check out easily. So I tell you one thing, this is very amazing project, but if you can check out PoCoin visit chart, Bitcoin Explorer, and here you can see the Twitter account is also provided. You can check out here Mr. Crypto, and shown 500x meme coin GPT Jasper token, and buy just $100. You can also check out buy with $100, and here you can see the all information on the Twitter. You can check out here JSPR token, King JSPR token, and you can also check out the DEX tool and JSPR token. So the main thing is how to buy this project. I hope you understand all price prediction and everything understand about this project. So I tell you how to buy this project. So guys, let's talk about how to buy this project. Here you can see the token contract. Simply copy this contract. After copying this contract, go to your PancakeSwap. Then you need to select BNB Smart Chain. After selecting the BNB Smart Chain, then you need to click on Connect Wallet. After clicking the Connect Wallet, you can use the MetaMask, Injected, Binance Web3 Wallet, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, Brave Wallet, Opera Wallet, and it's depend on you. I use MetaMask. So I enter my MetaMask. I am entering my password. After entering the password, my wallet will be successfully connected to the PancakeSwap. So I am entering my password. You can check out here. I click on unlock option. So simply I click on unlock option. After clicking the unlock, my wallet will be successfully connected. You can check out here, and my wallet has been successfully connected. So now you need to click on your last second coin option. After entering you need to enter the same contract address where we copy it, and you can copy address and go to it, and then simply paste here. Then JSPR token will be successfully added. Then you need to click on import option. After clicking the import option, and then just click on I understand option, then click on import option. After clicking the import option, then your token will be successfully added. now you need how much you want to buy the project token, JPT token. So if I buy 1 BNB, the 1 BNB the JPT token, I enter 1 BNB, I will get like something token here. Then I click on confirm option. After clicking the confirm option, my token will be successfully pouted. So it's very easy method to buy this project token. And you can also check out the price prediction. You can also use the indicators, save, load, clear, and 15 minutes. And you can also check out the BSC scan information here. And this is DEX tool. You can also see the DEX tool price. And please ignore the background noise. And you can also check out the GSPR token Twitter account is also provided. You can also check out CheckGPT DEX tool price, and you can also check out DEX tool here. So I hope you understand everything. It's a very unique and awesome project. Never miss it and invest always here. I'm on risk. I'm not here financial advisor. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question related to this project, you can do a comment in our video. We definitely reply you. And guys, if you invest in the project on your behalf, I am not responsible any profit, any losses. So take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. We meet in our next video. Have a nice day.